Hello, fellow highbrow. Blessed day to all of us, and welcome back. This is Teacher Randy, and we're back for our knowledge reel. So, we learned about a sentence. Do you guys still remember what a sentence is? Okay, let's refresh our memory. So, how many characteristics does a sentence have? Right, there are 3. So, what are they? Let's recite them all. First, it begins with a capital letter. Second, it includes an end mark or punctuation mark. And third, it has at least one main clause which contains a subject and a predicate. Outstanding! So, this time, our topic is still related to our last episode. We will learn about the 4 different types of sentences. Do you guys have any idea what these 4 types of sentences are? Okay, let's see if you guessed it right. But before we start, I would like you to read these sentences. So, what do you think? Can you tell the difference? Let's find out. Watch and listen carefully. These examples that we have different punctuation marks. They are the 4 different types of sentences. Each of them accomplishes a different purpose. Every sentence we speak or write either states something, asks a question, gives an order, or expresses some kind of emotion. Can you write a sentence that doesn't do one of these 4 things? I don't think so. We express ourselves more clearly when we learn how to identify and write the 4 different types of sentences. We are also able to place the appropriate punctuation at the end of a sentence, making the ideas we are expressing better understood by the reader. These are the 4 different types of a sentence. Declarative, which is a statement. Interrogative, which is a question. Imperative, which is a command. And exclamative, which is an exclamation. Declarative sentences make a statement. They tell us something. They give us information. And they normally end with a full stop or period. Now, which one from the examples that we had earlier was a declarative sentence? If you answered this, then you are correct. Remember that declarative sentences are the most common type of sentence. Next is the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences ask a question. They ask us something. They want information, and they always end with a question mark. Which one from the examples do you think was an interrogative sentence? If you answered this, of course, you're right. Interrogative sentences can be positive or negative, like, "Don't you love your family?" which falls under negative. After that are the imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give a command. They tell us to do something, and they end with a full stop or period or exclamation point. Which one was an imperative sentence from the example? Did you answer this? You got it. Imperative sentences can also be positive or negative, like, "Don't give me that spoon," which is negative. Finally, our last type is an exclamative sentence. Exclamative sentences express strong emotion, surprise, and exclamation, and they always end with an exclamation point. The last sentence from the examples was an imperative sentence. Now, please answer our mini quiz. That's it for our English version. Please watch out for the Filipino version.